Alright, here we are turning off onto the Harding Lake Road.
3/4 mile, turn right.
15-mile-an-hour turn here.
Turn right.
Turn right, not left. You just got to cut it a little bit harder left around those big sharp turns. Park entrance ahead, prepare to stop. Entrance station closed. Pay fee. Please pay fees at self-service registration areas. Okay, I'm gonna jump out and grab one real quick. And let's jump out here and grab a at the fee station. Grab one of these Alaska State Park things, and here we are. Welcome to Harding Lake. Camping, $15 per night. Not bad, not bad. All right, let's go find us a spot. We could have just stopped there, huh?
Thinking in 500 feet, turn left. Thinking in 600 feet, turn left. I bet you could haul a lot of toys in this car.
I bet I could.
Thinking.
There's walk-in camping.
700 feet, turn left.
Alright, so these spots look big enough for us. I could always back in that right there. There's a nice RV there. Let's just go around and see what's available. There's a bathroom one. Always nice to have a bathroom, you know.
Handy.
Yep.
Another nice one, not too broken down.
That one looks good. Right there's a bathroom. That might be a good one.
Yeah, it does look like that.
Uh-huh. We can always just loop around and come back. Now, it looks like there might be more that way. Yeah, plenty of room. I'm going for a little bike ride to check it out. Ah, the lake is up. All this is underwater. Can't get over there. Made it over to the boat launch. Here's the thing about Harding Lake. Where is the swim area? We're right here. We camped back over in here somewhere. Well, looking for the swim area here, but I can't seem to find it. There's a bunch of houses down through here, but they have big signs up that says private property, stay off. I guess lake isn't big enough for them. Look at the snow on the mountains back there.
Yeah.
See it way back there? Big lake. Attention anglers, Harding Lake is closed to the taking of northern pike. Huh, you still catch lake trout, Arctic char, and burbot. But no northern pike. Riding over the grass like Sacco Cruiser. Doing some hooligan shit. It says Fairbanks area forestry fire danger. It's low, so that's cool. Well, then on the other side it says the fire danger's high. So we don't know what to think. Not a bad looking camp spot. Got the antenna up and I'm getting TV channels. So that's cool. Ah, burgers on the grill.
Oh, geez.
A little salt.
Yeah, a little salt, ball salt. Thing comes out like crazy.
And a little pepper. Ah, cheeseburgers. Got potato salad, baked beans, chips. I'm getting ready to watch a movie. Good times.
Right here. Okay.
Oh yeah, let's dig in.
Thanks.
Some hard riding. Trying to catch up to the family here, wherever they are. Well, up to my knees so far. Haven't found any good targets. Did pass over one huge iron target, but I might go back and dig that up. Alright guys, I've been out here for about 3 hours or so, and I see something circular in the scoop. Check it out, I found a ring. I found a ring. Wow. I didn't think I was going to. Alright, riding over to the RV, taking this crazy trail through the woods. And gonna go get something to eat, put on some dry clothes, and then... Here comes an old RV. Itasca. Check it out, barbecued chicken, mashed potatoes, corn, and potato salad, and then a Red Bull. 46 degrees outside, calling for 37. Sitting up 1 a.m. watching movies. Monday, September 7th. Happy Labor Day. Here's what it looks like outside. You sleep good? Time to break this out.